Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman. I'm back again with another product, and it is this KEROMEE. It's a corded vacuum cleaner, handheld 5-in-1 stick, lightweight vacuum, broom car vacuum for pet hair and hardwood floors and cat litter and all that. Let's just get right into it, right? It comes in this box right here, as you can see. For a full-size vacuum, it's pretty compact in this box. So here is the vacuum itself, the body. Let's set this over here for a second. One of the attachments. Another attachment, 2 tubes, and a manual. Over here, get to you over there. Okay, interesting name for that, dust mite controller. Quick instructions describing what it is, product circuit diagram, how quickly we can get into all of the features within this vacuum. Let's get rid of the plastic. So these are the tubes. This, obviously, we know what this is. And then, of course, we do know what this is. Now, what this is going to be is just a straight floor scrubber. This is going to be mainly for, I believe, hardwood floors. You can use it on carpet to some extent, but it's not going to have, it doesn't have the vibrating brush in it. And then, obviously, let's take a look at what comes inside this guy. And here you go. The cord itself appears to be, I believe it's going to be somewhere right around 6 feet. Oh, no, I think it's going to be more closer to 12 feet. So let's go ahead and get into, first, you got the little flapper valve and all the debris goes in here. You got to lock on that mesh filter. I think you can take one of these. This is the one, it's a little bit wider. Yep, it connects there. And then you can connect this guy to this if you can see that. And then you can have yourself a mini length vacuum, or you can then connect 2 sets of pipes and have a longer section. I don't even know if you can see that. Yeah, it's just a little bit longer, an extra additional 1.5 feet or so for that piece. Or original length and connection would be something to this effect, right? So you have this on the end, this on the other end, doing your vacuum type processes. Okay, so all that aside, okay, with all that, let's go ahead and pull these off real quick. That's a pretty quick jobber itself here, not too shabby. What's inside the canister? So it's a twist to lock. You can see the locks through here. You can then, yes, you can twist and unlock this filter out, and that's a pretty robust paper-ish cloth filter. Not too bad. Does this come off itself? Then what it showed in here bouncing around a little bit is this metal mesh filter, and this guy will lock on this guy. Oh yeah, okay. It's a pressure fit. So in transit, it ended up knocking off. It's actually a pretty good pressure fit. So you lock that in. This is going to be your rubbish container. You will then take this guy, put it in until it hits flush here. Then grab this guy, lock her into place. You are done. You have a fully functioning vacuum cleaner. It has these little turbo venturis sections to give you the idea that it's got the venturi suction in there. But you know what's left to do is to actually go out and try this. So let's go do that. All right, guys. So we're here. We're live. We've put it together. I mean, there's not much to put together. You saw it. It's very quick. So it's corded. You can see here I got it plugged in. So basically, real quick, we're going to show you it in its process. Now I want to show you this. When I'm just rolling, nice and easy, right? As soon as I turn this on, this thing has such great suction that it is not too difficult, but you can feel the force in which this is just sucking against that carpet. I'm sure it's just pulling out every little piece of dust or anything that's inside the carpet. This thing is really nice. And it's just powerful. Okay, now without getting too loud, I'll show you something here just as quick, is you can take the head off, swap it, because who uses all those other features or fixtures? All you really need is this guy and that guy. Turn it back on. Oh, wow. This thing works really well. And what's great about it is you can get up here, get all those little wet cobwebs or debris that's up there. You can even get down here, get all the pieces out of the corner here. And you're done. Now, another cool feature then is you can break this down even further. Let's say you need to get the crevices of things, but you don't need the full extent of the length. So you get in here, you can get into the crevices of things here as well. Same thing with this. Maybe you don't need it on the full end of the length, and you just want to go ahead and vacuum clean the felt on your chair. Move your pillows, turn it on. Look at that. That actually does a pretty good job. That does a really good job. And then again, as I said, Once you're done with that, pull that end off, go over here, clean the crevice out. One of the great features that I like about this vacuum is it's simple in its design. It sucks really well. I know that's a weird statement, but it sucks in debris. I see a bunch of stuff sitting on the really finite material sitting on the filter itself already. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all around that metal filter, all these little debris pieces in here. And we've already vacuumed a house. So unbelievably, this thing right behind it has actually picked up even other smaller debris. Great suction, and also this thing is exceptionally light. So let me say it like this. People who want to make sure they want to do vacuuming, but they don't want to lumber around that big, giant, heavy vacuum that's got the bag and all that stuff on it. This guy, I mean, it is, I'm not even kidding, it is super lightweight. What's really cool, and one of the better things I think about this too, is you can take this apart, and in the size of this chair, you have basically can store this entire vacuum. Okay, so for overly dramatic purposes, I've poured a bunch of dirt down here for you guys to see how well this thing really, truly does suck. So without further ado, let's go. Look at it, just pulling it right towards that vacuum. Wow, it's just gone. That is actually really good. Look at all that stuff wrapped around the filter. It's just got it. This is really nice. And just as simple, all you gotta do is twist it off. And there you go. You just twist it off. There's all the debris. It just sucked right into that mesh. But it's all contained inside this container. So hey guys, I hope that was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And I'm out.